Yeah. Yeah.
The starting point in making the framing to hold a bed in the back of my dual cab Transit is to work out how high that bed is going to be off the floor. That is determined by the height of the fridge freezer that I want to put under the bed. I looked at a couple of second-hand car fridges, but when I found Google reviews on them, they all got heavily criticised despite them being really well-known brands in Australia. Most of them were also way too high at 60 centimetres. Then I found this XDM unit, which is only 50 centimetres tall, and all the reviews on it raved about it. So I lashed out and bought one new. What a ripper it is. 80 litres, more than large enough for me. Came with an insulating cover. This is not just a simple old-fashioned plug it into the cigarette lighter car fridge. It's a fridge freezer with two compartments. You can make one fridge, one freezer. You can make the whole lot freezer. You can make the whole lot fridge. Lift out wire baskets, runs off either 12 volts or 240 volts, and it has the programming technology in it to make sure that you don't drain your car battery. It's got a protect mechanism in the programming where you can set it so that it only uses your car battery power up when the car's parked, up to the point where if you go any further the car won't start, and at that point it turns the fridge off. That won't be an issue for me because I'm going to fit a second battery for this and probably put a solar charger on the roof, so it'll be a completely separate standalone system. But what a ripper of a fridge freezer. And you can stand up tall bottles in that, no problems at all. So I'm very happy with that. I need to be able to pull the fridge out easily from underneath my bed to allow me to open its top lids. So I also bought a fridge slider unit as well. I need to fit this sliding rack mount first and strap my fridge freezer to this slider, and then I can build a frame for my bed over it and around it. I also plan to put a microwave oven, toaster and kettle next to the door on the other side of the bed. I'm well on the way into making the steel framework to hold the bed over the top of my fridge freezer. At the front it's got legs, but on the back I'm just fastening fastening it to the wall of the van in several places. So this is going well. I've just got to fabricate the section that holds the kitchen appliances, the microwave oven and the kettle and so forth over here. So I'll get this tacked up and we can take it out of the car fully welded and get it back in. I could have made the steel frame to hold my bed in the dual cab as a one-piece job, but you can almost guarantee if I did that there'd be some bit that would foul and I wouldn't be able to get it out or in for the welding and the painting. So I deliberately made it two-piece, that piece there and this piece here. The two pieces bolt together, easy in and out, no problem.